A knife hovers cautiously over a tomato and then struggles to chop neat slices.
Blind hacks in the home. Chopping made easy.
A long afro comb enters the scene. Its teeth line up across the top of the tomato, then sink right down into it. The free hand picks up the knife and places the blade between the teeth of the afro comb before chopping a slice. It chops between all the teeth of the afro comb to make perfect slices every time. Lovely. The comb is pulled out of the tomato to reveal neat slices. Now it sinks down into a ball of mozzarella, and this is also sliced using the comb. The round slices of tomato and mozzarella are placed into a dish to create a very tasty looking caprese salad, with a sprinkling of oregano and a drizzle of olive oil added at the end.
Chopping food? Hacked.